What if the reason you're tired, unfocused, or losing motivation has nothing to do with your workouts or your mindset, and everything to do with 4 simple minerals your body is quietly missing? These are the hidden building blocks of male energy, and most men are running dangerously low. Today, we're revealing what they are, how they work, and how to reclaim your strength from the inside out. Welcome to Silver Strength, where real science meets real results. Magnesium, the quiet powerhouse. Magnesium is often underestimated, but behind the scenes it runs hundreds of processes that keep your body and mind in balance. It calms your nervous system, supports muscle recovery, and helps you sleep deeply, so you wake up ready to perform. When you're low on magnesium, you may feel tense, restless, or burned out. But restore it through foods like spinach, almonds, or even a quality supplement, and your body finds its rhythm again. At Silver Strength, we call magnesium the foundation of calm power. Because true strength begins with balance. Sodium, the overlooked essential. You've probably been told sodium is bad for you. But the truth is, sodium isn't the enemy. It's the dose that matters. Sodium helps your body stay hydrated, keeps your muscles firing, and maintains blood pressure. If you sweat often or train hard, your body needs it even more. Choose real, unprocessed salt, not the refined kind hiding in fast food. The right amount fuels endurance and focus. At Silver Strength, we don't fear what the body needs, we optimize it. Potassium, the heart's silent guardian. Every heartbeat depends on potassium. It's what keeps your pulse steady, your muscles relaxed, and your energy consistent. Low potassium can leave you drained or dizzy, but foods like avocados, bananas, and leafy greens can restore your balance naturally. Your heart, your nerves, your recovery, they all depend on this quiet protector. At Silver Strength, we remind you, it's not about more effort, it's about smarter fuel. Zinc, the spark of vitality. If magnesium is calm power, zinc is your edge. Zinc supports testosterone, immune strength, and focus. It sharpens your drive, fuels motivation, and helps your body recover faster. Low zinc can make you feel off, mentally and physically. But when your levels are right, you feel sharper, stronger, more confident. You'll find zinc in eggs, pumpkin seeds, seafood, and lean red meat. Here at Silver Strength, we call zinc the spark of vitality, because it's what keeps your fire alive. So that's the real takeaway. Strength isn't built only in the gym. It's built from within, through balance, awareness, and discipline. Feed your body with what it truly needs, because at Silver Strength we believe your health is your power, and every man deserves to feel it. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment sharing what fuels your strength, and keep building your foundation, one day, one choice, one heartbeat at a time. But don't go yet, because in our next video we're uncovering the 3 daily habits that secretly lower your testosterone, and how to stop them before they drain your energy again. Stay strong, stay sharp. This is Silver Strength, and your next level starts now.